I've introduced you to my favorite new tool, the Immersion Blender. I know my potatoes are tender. I know my leeks are tender because they cook faster, so I'm ready to blend it. I am not going to fight over the noise of this, but I'm going to start it, and I'm going to show you bit by bit how to know when it's fully pureed. So, talk amongst yourselves. I'm going to puree, and then I lift. Puree and lift. I want to keep the Immersion Blender moving around the pot, obviously so that all the potatoes and the leeks are pureed. And of course, it's not splattering at all, so I could have looked even better. So the soup looks a little bit thin right now. That's because only half the potatoes are pureed. But if it's too thin or too thick, I'll tell you what to do. If your puree is too thick, simply add some more stock. But if it's too thin, you want to cook it down and reduce it over a medium heat. So as it cooks, the liquids evaporate and it will thicken on its own. See how it's getting this beautiful, it's almost a velvety, smooth texture. This is such good comfort soup. So you can hold the Immersion Blender on an angle. You just want to make sure you're getting over the potatoes and the leeks. So I'm going to keep going with the puree there. And you can move it around so that you can keep seeing. Or, let me grab this. You can have a ladle or a big spoon and you can see, oh, okay, I still have some big chunks of potatoes here. I need to keep going. Obviously, if you were working in a blender or a food processor, you'd be able to see it. So here we go.